Pre-market prep for Wednesday. This is the ES daily we're looking at. This is yesterday's low, yesterday's high. We're already we already tapped yesterday's high. Now there is a few days ago high here, and then we have the all-time high here. So basically what I'm looking for at this point is, since we've tapped yesterday's high, I'm looking for a move towards previous day's low. So I am short bias for today's session. If we look at the NQ, it's the same thing. Previous day's high, a couple days ago high, a few days ago high, all-time high here, but we also have some levels here. But since we've tapped into previous day's high and actually a couple day high, I am short bias towards previous day's low. Okay, so now looking at the ES current session, we have overnight, which is basically a very tight range, 20 points or so. I'm sorry, 20 ticks, 40 ticks total range, but it's definitely a tight range. We did have a change in market structure when it ran Asia low. Now I'm anticipating that this structure is going to fail. We had a shallow pullback, and then we had a little push, and now we're showing a failure. Now it could run to the Asia high and fail. That would be ideal entry looking for the short. But we might range for the day. Well, the market ranges 70% of the time, so I always anticipate a range day until it isn't. So basically, when I have a short bias, I am looking for basically moves up. So this is a previous day high line, so I'd be looking for, something like up and then signs of a failure. Asia high here, so it'd be like up and then signs of a failure. Now if it can't get there and the New York Open just starts drifting lower, then you basically just have to, you have to get in at some point. So it's better to get in when the price is moving up, and then you look for a resistance level that kind of breaks and then starts to fail. Okay, so just to go over my chart setup here: previous day's high, overnight, Asia high, Asia low. This would be pre-market high at this moment, pre-market low at this moment. So again, for today's session, I am short bias.